What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I added, let's see, I just posted a video a few days ago. I just did one earlier with Iron Mountain for you guys, so make sure you check that one out. And I kind of provided my rationales why I own that stock, and I'm deep in espresso shots. I'll be pretty much studying tonight till about midnight or 1. I have an exam coming up in a few days. But let me just show you some changes I made in my dividend portfolio. And I'm going to jump to my E-Trade dividend portfolio. I added this Plymouth Industrial REIT and HTA Healthcare Trust of America Incorporated. This one is kind of a new REIT, and it makes some it's kind of like, I would like to compare it to like Stag, but it kind of gives off a quarterly dividend. It's a little bit down right now, so I added that to my real estate sector. So it's kind of cool. They got a portfolio buyout. Okay. um they seem like that they're expanding and they're getting bigger. So um, that's kind of exciting with this real estate investment trust. Healthcare Trust of America Class A. Um, it's kind of like it's a real estate investment trust that focuses on healthcare, the healthcare sector. So if you guys want me to post a video or something on that, I can provide information. Yeah, I was so anti EGNC stock, and I liked what I saw, so I put some money in them. So I added these guys to my dividend portfolio. That'll add nice to the monthly dividends. Look at this, the compound interest real quick. This is what is exciting. QILD got me $5.72. Pfizer got me $5.78. Aflac, I saw the news that they increased their dividend, and that's pretty exciting. Haynes, I got rid of them. I'll probably buy them back, or I'll just throw them in my E-Trade dividend portfolio. Matt Ramey, I agree. I think this is a good stock to buy. Um, you know, I mean, you could throw 1,000 in there. It's only like 15 a share. Um, I might do that just for the hell of it and see what happens. Um, I'm supposed to get my sign-on bonus coming in, so I have some decisions to make. Am I going to throw it in EPR properties? Am I going to throw it in a few other things? So I have some decisions to make. I might just pay for graduate school, or who knows. But I'll show you what I bought today. I threw $100 in, and I got this Plymouth Industrial REIT, Fastenal, AT&T. I got Healthcare Trust of America, British American Tobacco, Omega Healthcare Investors, Spirit Realty Capital, my semiconductor company, Maxim Integrated Products, First Energy. By the way, in like Ohio, like power was out like really bad, so these guys have been mad busy. I mean, they've been busy on the phone lines. Luckily, in my apartment complex, we have a generator. Each building has like a generator that does natural gas. Hormel Foods, you know, it's pretty cool about Hormel Foods. Hold on, let me take a sip. I pretty much went to Penn Station. Just I do this like weird tradition of getting Penn Station subs like the day before an exam, and you know, when you look at your subs that you're going to get, you'll see a bunch of products that have Hormel Foods. I mean, they're pretty big. And also, myself working as a nurse in the hospital, the thickener foods that we have, like for people that need nectar thick or honey thicken liquids, or also aspirate. Guess what? Hormel Foods is one of them. They're the ones that distribute it. Very good company. Keep an eye on that. It has raised its dividend over time. Altria. I saw an article. Everybody's worried about these tobacco companies, but these guys are pretty smart. They're starting to diversify. British Tobacco and Altria, a little bit with the marijuana. And these vaping. I know vaping's not the best thing to do because people have. There's research out there that has said that people have had popcorn lung, which I myself remember when vaping before it even got popular. One time I was driving and I saw the smoke coming from a car. I seriously thought it was on fire for a second. It was just some kids vaping and in their car. That was, I think that was it, a few years ago. But here's one thing: LTC Properties. Keep an eye on this one. Monthly dividend stock. Um, this is down right now. LTC. So keep an eye on that. I should probably put some more money in that. Um, I might even throw that in my E-Trade dividend portfolio. That might not be a bad idea. I mean, because I have a monthly dividend strategy that I want to have long term, and I need these stocks to really start kicking in so that they can start buying the other stocks for that. And Ryman Hospitality Properties, again, I'm all about REITs right now, and I probably need to get more shares, and that might change a percentage. Let me do that right now. The reason why I'm saying that is, I mean, rates are way down, okay? And let me just change this. What should I get? I'll look at it and then make some changes. Maybe do a video tomorrow and tell you what I made my mind up with when I wake up. But um, Ryman Hospitality Properties, RHP. Uh, After I show you an E-Trade real quick, let me just show you what I bought on E-Trade, and then I'll jump to Ryman Hospitality Properties as a stock. So let me just go to E-Trade real quick. So on my E-Trade dividend portfolio, I did do a video on RYLD. I can wait. I mean, I think when I start making more money on YouTube, I'll start buying more RYLD. I need to be a little bit more aggressive with the rates, so I sold it and threw it in actually National Healthcare Investors, which is starting to grow like crazy. So really focused, and then I also put in some money in Regents Financial Corp. It's a bank, obviously, that distributes quarterly dividend stock, and it's been way down. So I kind of capitalized on it. My advice to you guys, again, I'm not a financial advisor, but these stocks that are in the financial sector or the real estate sector are pretty hot right now. So let me just show you my estimated income. So I'm going to jump to my estimated income real quick. So now I'm getting close to my paychecks that I normally make each every 2 weeks, almost. I mean, a few $100s off, but this is pretty nice. And this is the compound interest kicking in. Obviously, Carnival's not doing anything, but Regions Financial, since I put in some shares, I'm now getting $4.25 out of that each quarter. So, the future is pretty bright. But now I'm going to jump to Ryman Hospitality Properties, and I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay, look at this right now. Look at this. Starting, it was $21.94, 1994. It is $86. It went from $86, okay, all the way to almost $21 in March. So it hasn't distributed its dividend yet, but I'm going to jump to its dividend history real quick. This is a hotel, resort, entertainment, and media company. Basically, this is just this is a hot stock right now. I'm telling you right now. Let me show you its dividend history. So in March, it was almost $1. Okay, it was almost $1. So look at this history. 50 cents, 90 cents. This bad boy is just going to keep on going. And it's down. Okay, entertainment. They tell you, everybody needs to stay inside and this and that. Once that vaccine comes out in the United States, man, got to capitalize on this stock. That's my honest opinion. If you're a dividend investor, you got to capitalize on this stock and you got to go in hard. I need to really, if I can get to 10 shares, I'll be happy with that. But it's so down right now. I can't really say no to that because it will eventually rebound and start distributing its dividends again. So those are kind of the changes I made. Let me know what you think of this video. And again, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Check out my video that I just made on Iron Mountain earlier today. And don't forget to smash that like button. And I'm going to try to do 2 videos a week. I have an exam coming up next week, which I'm studying my ass off to prepare for. I'm doing well in that class, but I don't want to get to the point where I choke. So I don't want to choke. So that's why I'm studying my ass off. So let me know what you think of Ryman Hospitality Properties as a stock. It's down, something you might want to capitalize in. So thank you again and have a good one.